In this video, I'll show you how to verify your Shopify domain in Facebook Business Manager. First, open your Meta Business Settings or Business Manager, then go to the Brand Safety section and select Domains. Meta's official domain verification guide says this is where you add and verify the domain you want to claim for your business. Once you're there, click Add, enter your Shopify domain, and save it. After that, Meta will give you verification options. Meta officially supports 3 methods: DNS TXT verification, meta tag verification, and HTML file upload. You only need to complete one of these methods to verify the domain. For most Shopify users, the easiest method is usually meta tag verification or DNS TXT verification. If you choose the meta tag method, copy the verification meta tag from Meta Business Manager. Then go to your Shopify admin, open Online Store, choose Themes, click the 3 dots on your live theme, and select Edit Code. Open your theme.liquid file and paste the meta tag inside the head section, then save the file. Meta says adding the meta tag to your HTML source is one of the supported ways to verify domain ownership. If you prefer the DNS TXT method, copy the TXT verification record from Meta and add it to your domain's DNS settings at your domain provider. This method is often a good choice if your Shopify theme is heavily customized and you don't want to edit code. Meta says DNS TXT verification is an officially supported method for confirming domain ownership. The HTML file upload method is also supported by Meta, but for Shopify stores, it's usually less convenient, because Shopify doesn't give you normal root directory hosting access the same way some traditional websites do. So in practice, most Shopify store owners use the meta tag or DNS TXT option instead. That's an inference based on Meta's supported methods and how Shopify storefront editing typically works. Once you've added the meta tag or DNS record, go back to Meta Business Manager and click Verify Domain. If it doesn't work right away, Meta also says you may need to try again later or switch to another method if the first one doesn't confirm properly. Meta's troubleshooting page specifically recommends retrying verification or using DNS, meta tag, or HTML file methods if you run into problems. After the domain is verified, Meta can use that verified domain for features tied to your business assets, such as commerce and sharing controls connected to your Facebook and Instagram setup. That's how to verify your Shopify domain in Facebook Business Manager. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.